What is at the edge of the universe? This is the question nobody can answer. And by the end of this video, you will understand why, and why that answer is the most exciting thing in science. First, let's break your brain a little. The most powerful telescopes we have can see 46 billion light years in every direction. That's called the observable universe. But beyond that boundary, light simply hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. We cannot see further. Not because there's nothing there, but because the universe is only 13.8 billion years old, and light travels at a finite speed. So here's the real question. Is the universe finite with an actual edge? Or is it infinite with no edge at all? Both answers are equally terrifying. Physicists argue about three possibilities. 1. The universe is finite and bounded. It has an actual edge. Space ends somewhere. But then the obvious question, what is on the other side? This answer creates more questions than it solves. 2. The universe is infinite and flat. It goes on forever in every direction with no edge. Everything that can happen does happen somewhere, including infinite copies of you, living slightly different versions of your life right now. The problem, our brains literally cannot process infinity. 3. The universe is finite but unbounded, like the surface of a sphere. A sphere has finite total area but no edge. Travel in a perfectly straight line long enough and you come back to where you started. This is currently the best guess from physics, but it is still a guess. Here is where it gets genuinely mind-bending. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years across, but the actual universe, the full thing, is estimated to be at least 250 times larger than what we can see. That means 98.4% of the universe is permanently invisible to us. Not because it doesn't exist, but because light takes time to travel and we are working with a finite window. You are looking at the universe through a tiny keyhole. So what is actually at the edge? Option 1. More universe. The leading theory is there is no edge at all. Space continues beyond what we can observe. More galaxies, more stars, possibly more versions of everything that exists here. Option 2. The end of space itself. Some models suggest space literally stops. Not a wall, not darkness, just nothing. Not empty space, the complete absence of dimensions. Our brains cannot picture this because our brains evolved inside 3 dimensions. Option 3. Another universe. The multiverse theory says our universe is a bubble in a vast cosmic foam. At the edge of our bubble is the boundary with another universe, unproven but mathematically consistent with what we know. Option 4, and this is the honest answer, we genuinely do not know. Every physicist, every telescope, every equation we have stops here. The edge of the universe is the edge of human knowledge itself. And here is what that means. The universe does not owe us an answer. We built telescopes that can see 13.8 billion years into the past. We mapped the cosmic microwave background radiation, the actual afterglow of the Big Bang. We detected gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time from black holes colliding billions of light-years away, and we still do not know what is at the edge, maybe nothing, maybe everything. The question is not unsettling. The question is the point. Keep asking. If your brain works like this, if you find beauty at the edge of what we know, if you question things most people never think about, I built something for you. Mavara.wear, science philosophy streetwear. Every design has a concept behind it. Kuman mechanics, fractal divinity, remove the king to become him, clothes for the ones who think differently. COD available across India, link is in the description. And if this video made you think, subscribe. New space and physics every week.